And here we are, my favourite bench. Let's get organised with the quadcopter and see if we can get it up in the air. I really do like these propellers, the way they go and fit on. Really good. Sounds like a bit of building construction in the background. Every so often I can hear a power tool. And there we go. It's going to take a few seconds for the GPS to fire up. We've got 2 satellites at the moment. So once I get up to the necessary amount, we'll take off. And we've started recording, so here goes. So it's just sitting there nicely. We've got a little bit of wind at the moment. And we've drifted back a fraction. And there I am in front saying hi. Okay, let's get on with the flight. My thoughts on the quad? Absolutely amazing. It flies beautifully. I'm going to have to head back because it's starting to rain, so that's not an ideal situation for the first flights. Now I've just got back from the park. I've been flying the little Fimi A3. performs really well. Beautiful to watch in the air. I tested out a couple of different scenarios that are available. Follow me on the controller. That worked extremely well. I was very impressed with that. Kept me in frame, kept me in the same spot quite nicely. Also tried out a Dronie. Now the Dronie worked again exactly as you expect. It flew backwards, kept a nice angle, again kept me in frame. I did have to stop it mid-flight. It's a fairly small park that I fly in, and I really didn't want to get over people's property. If I do that, I'll probably get myself into a bit of trouble, so I keep it you know, within the confines of the law, as they say. The quad for a beginner's drone, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I can't see any faults with it. Flies perfectly. In fact, it flies so good, I've decided to upgrade from this to the X8 SE 2020. So that tells you what I think of this particular unit. I'm very impressed with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you on the very next video. I don't know. But if you click on the subscribe and then click on the bell icon, we probably see each other again. All the best till then. Take care.